gentlemen, my name is Nan Zhang, come from Xinan University, and the topic is the secretary fish. My advisor is Professor Li Peijun. To enrich our life or release working pressure, a lot of people like to breed fish in home or office. But the death of fish discourages us because of losing a lot of time for taking care of it. So, according to the above conditions, we designed a secretary fish that combines the fish movement and multimedia technique. The mechanical structure is designed by us. According to our environmental characteristics in underwater to research and test all of the parts. Like the capsule of the waterproof or DC motor of the motion control system. And this is my propeller. The speed I need RPM is 5,000. And this is the organization of the motion control structure. And we use the bump and gas bag according to the formula D equals M/V. Change the weighting of this fish to make sinking or floating for it. And we use CMYK tool to achieve obstacle avoidance. And the air transmitter to control the alarm clock and the motors. We also use the 3H751 digital temperature sensor to measure the temperature in the water. And in order to supply the different parts for several elements in FPGA system, we designed a power system board circuit for supply the different parts. According to the above motors and elements, the secretary fish system must include various sensors, motors, and the ability of multimedia image processing. And in order to reduce the size, we separate the TeraCyclone 3 FPGA star key to integration of it. And after integration of the secretary fish, we paint it based on the goldfire fish. And this is the goldfire fish. And this is my system structure. The structure includes 4 parts. The first one is motion control. According to the red dot projection image processing, camera sends the information via RS-232 to DC motor to generation the PWM duty cycle to control the motor speed. And the coming control is the core system of the secretary fish. We use the remote control, which is made by PIC, and use the content of the transmitter package. The first byte is code control, and the other byte is the year, month, day, and hour, and minute. NIS2 processor. When the calendar is tripped into the RAM mode, one signal can transmit to CPU by PIO to inform the NIS2 to read the picture. Therefore, the user can be informed to do things marked on their memo. The temperature sensor will communication with the FPGA and the G-751. And this is my system function. The function includes 2 parts. The first one is physical movement. The second is the multimedia application. The secretary fish can move with the forward, clockwise, counterclockwise, sinking, and floating. And we use the remote control to control secretary fish to move or stop, and also can control the sinking and the floating. And the second, multimedia application. We use the remote control to set the clock, calendar, alarm, and when the alarm time is up, we play the image and play the music to invite people to do something. And now I set the alarm clock. Now alarm clock is set to 2010 December 25th, 0 point. And when the alarm clock is up, it will display the image and play the music to remind people the Christmas day is arrived. Okay, display the image and play the music. And now keep going.